Hey guys, Lashgo here. Sorry I haven't made a video for a while. I've been pretty crook with depression, but I'm coping alright now. This is a Greenlight, a hobby shop, and I thought I would like to show you guys this one. 2013 Dodge Charger Super B with a woman in a dress right there. It's got pretty good details. It's a little bit better quality than the Matchbox. I got it because it's a beautiful colour. Look at it, shiny metallic purplish with flakes in it. You can see the flakes, and that will add to my collection of superchargers, or Dodge Chargers anyway. So yeah, just a quick one to tell you I'm doing alright. It's from the Series 6, and there's the other cars from the set. It's all metal, so it's a lot better quality. 164. Nice rims. Alright guys, I'm Lashgo. Stay awesome, stay cool, stay super cool, mate. Thanks for watching guys, I really appreciate it. And I hope you understand when someone's sick, they're sick. I will be coming out with more videos. Even though I said to you, my last video hit over 30 views and a few likes. I just got a message then. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay awesome, stay cool, stay super cool, mate. I'm Lashgo, and remember, 30 views or more and then I'll release out another video if you want to keep seeing me. Okay guys, I love yous all, take care. This is Greenlight Collectibles, the hobby shop, Series 6, all metal. Alright guys, thanks for watching, bye.